So Rocky Mountain KTM WPS, it seems to be in fear of closing. Reported on by Steve Mathis earlier today, quote saying, "I have heard some things might be done, might have another guy taking over and running it. Guess we'll wait and see." Apparently the Butler brothers broke a material requirement for their contract, so there will be no title sponsor, there will be no money, and later he had to reply to somebody. It says, "I'm sure he does know stuff, but I don't think anything is decided yet. The team is racing in St. Louis this weekend, and I guess we'll see. I don't take much joy in reporting on a team folding and people losing its jobs." Obviously, this year they fielded 3 riders: Joey Savatgy, Max Anstey, and Shane McElrath. Savatgy's out for the season with a torn ACL, where McElrath and Anstey were looking to come back this year. As you can see right there, even their Instagram, if you do a quick search of it, doesn't come up. Their website doesn't come up. So it's pretty sad to see. I mean, this is a mainstay team has been for a long time. Obviously, they've had many supposed issues with payment for Blake Baggett and other things that the owners have done. But tell me in the comments below, do you think they'll get another title sponsor? Something will happen? Or do you think the team's folded for the year after this? But whatever it is, tell me below, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.